Start interacting with your toddler and motivate your toddler to keep looking at the mirror. Once your toddler gets into the groove of this interaction, then start singing the silly rhyme. Encourage your toddler to join in the actions as you sing the rhyme. Smile and cheer your toddler after every few lines. After your toddler has heard the rhyme a few times, when you reach the last line, let your toddler sing it on its own. You can also let your toddler introduce some other animal sounds. So enjoy this lovely action rhyme interaction with your toddler.
What you're doing is providing your child with an opportunity to see how sounds are shaped using the mouth, and so that they understand that if the mouth makes a particular shape, it will encourage a particular noise. So this is really important, and is a really good fun way of watching each other and developing a child's self-awareness as they're playing games, singing songs and using rhyme.
When your toddler interacts with you, your toddler is learning to look at your face, to read gestures, to read expressions, facial expressions, to understand your cues. This reciprocity which is happening in this interaction is the foundation of social development. And research has proven that kids who have this kind of attachment and bonding with their parents are very good in their future social skills.